Math in 3 with Mrs. Z.
Let's learn a little bit about slope. What is slope? Slope is the pattern or the movement of a line. Slope can be positive, and it would be going up. Slope could be negative, it could be going down. Slope could be 0, neither up or down, or slope can be undefined. And an undefined line would look like this. If we have a graph and we're asked to find what parts are which, we could say that this part from A to B is positive. We always read a graph from left to right, just like we read words. This part from B to C, it is not going up or down, so it is 0. From C to D, we're going up again, so this would be a positive slope. From D to E, you can notice now we've changed direction and going down, so this would be a negative slope. From E to F, we are not going up, we're not going down, so this would be a slope of 0. From F to G, we're going straight down. That part of the line has an undefined slope. And then from G to H, we're going down, so that would be a negative slope. If we look at a line, the pattern should stay the same if we read the line from left to right to find the slope value. So from point 1 to point 2, we're going up 3 blocks, and then we're going to the right 1 block. From 2 to 3, we do up 3 over 1. That would be the same from 3 to 4. Up 3 to the right 1. Up 3 to the right 1. Up 3 to the right 1. And that would continue. The pattern of the up, which would be positive, or down, negative movement, divided by the movement to the right, is the same for the whole entire line, and that's called slope. This was
Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. Please like and subscribe below. Thanks.